Hello and welcome to Timmys10 again. And today we are doing something special. If you can see these ears sticking out of there, that would be Bugs Bunny's ears, I know. Something black there. And we're going to be digging in the snow here, and we're going to be finding the toys that we were playing with yesterday, and then we got a snowstorm in the middle of playing on them. So I can see what that is. And I'm here with Julia and Carissa.
Hi.
Hello, Julia. Hello, Carissa.
Hello.
And Samson.
Hello.
And TJ.
Hello.
All right, that's 4 of my children. And here is, ooh, I can kind of see some of the toys through here. We're going to start over here. Samson,
Yes.
if you could come over here and dig in the snow over here and find what that first toy. They're about an inch apart. So start here and let's start removing until you find what it is.
Ooh.
And what do we have there?
Here is the snowy owl.
Nice. Nice, that is really cool. Kind of proper for the snow, huh? Yeah. We need a little collection spot. Why don't we put him on that chair right there?
I like its eyes, see that?
That is pretty. All right, Carissa, come over here.
Okay.
Julia, come on over here, hon. All right, Carissa, go ahead and start digging the next. We'll get the next one. The next toy. What could that be?
Oh, it's an army guy.
It is an army man.
Yeah, an army man.
All right, let's keep it clear like this. See how I'm doing that?
Oh, yeah.
All right, Julia, you go next. What's the next toy we could find? Go on the track there. Dig in there. What's the next? What's that? What is that?
The green guy.
Let's see. Bring him up here. Bring him up here where I can see him. It's Green Goblin.
Oh yeah, it's a green
From
goblin.
Spider-Man. He's got a pumpkin with him too. There's gonna be some cool toys hidden in these on this racetrack. Carissa,
What?
set that over there for me.
Okay.
Who wants to go next? I'll go next.
Okay.
All right. Something. What is this? Oh, cool.
Oh, it's like a little cat or tiger.
There you go. Samson, you want to go?
Yes.
All right. Try to keep the track clear like that. What's the next thing?
It is a dog.
What is another dog? It looks like a greyhound.
It does. The big dog, that's for sure.
Nice. Cool. Who goes next?
Me.
TJ gonna dig for some snow here?
I think he wants to.
All right, let's get TJ over here to dig. All right, Carissa first. Go ahead.
Okay.
TJ's not gonna do it. He's a chicken. Ooh, what's that?
Oh, it's a super ball.
Nice.
I
Cool
wanted
Super
to get
Ball.
this.
Let's see if we can do this a little bit faster so the video's not gonna take too long.
Okay.
All right, you with me? You watching?
Yep.
All right. Ooh, what's this?
Oh, it's a Hot Wheels car.
It is a Hot Wheels car. Nice. Here you go. Samson,
Yes.
your turn.
Okay.
All right, and I'll knock one of the tracks off, but that's okay.
Now, what's fun about this is I actually forget what kind of toys we had here.
I forget what we were doing also.
Nice. We got, what is this, Tabby?
That is a cat, and I don't know if it's quite a tabby, but it might be.
Nice.
Cool, it's like dollhouse size.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Carissa.
Okay.
Julie, you want to go next?
Mhm.
Okay.
It's like
What's next?
It's pink. Oh, it's I forget what it's
A
called.
Lollapalooza.
A Lollapalooza. Yeah. I can't really say it.
These are actually really cool little dolls.
Yeah.
All right, Julia, you go next. Before the end, just set those up for me, Samson. What's next, Julia? Anything in there? What's in there?
You see anything? I can't yet. Well, it's just like a lot of snow.
What? Wait, hold up. I see something green right there. What's that?
Oh, whoa, that's a long one.
Oh, what is that?
I don't
That's a
know.
praying mantis.
Oh, yeah, that's what they're
Praying
called.
mantis. Go ahead,
I
Carissa.
can't really say.
You want to go, Carissa?
Yeah.
All right, let's go a little bit quicker, okay? Because we got a
Okay.
long ways to go.
We found a Christmas tree.
Oh, Lego Christmas tree.
Yeah, Lego Christmas tree. I found
All right. Oh, what's this? Ooh,
Oh, you found a marble.
hold that. Hold that for me. Whoa. What's this?
Oh, another marble.
Oh, I think these are tiger marbles. Simpson, what kind of marbles are these?
They're actually sea turtle marbles.
Sea turtle. All right, we have 3 of them.
I think it's more more.
Here's our chair so far. All right, Simpson's turn.
Wait, not sea turtle. I'm sorry.
Tiger.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
Oh.
There was sea turtle and seahorse.
I
That was
see.
seahorse. What we have
The
here
next one.
is a bazooka army man.
Nice. Go get Sam. Clear out some of that snow too.
Alright.
Keep the track clear like that.
Yep. And nothing so far. We have a Hot Wheels go-kart.
Oh, sweet.
Gotta clear off all the
That's
snow
small
from.
too.
Ah, it is full of snow,
There
huh?
you go. Excuse me.
That's pretty cool. All right. Let's see what's it. What? Uh-oh. We're
What's
rich.
that? Oh my head, it's a real diamond.
We're rich. Julia, pick up that diamond. Wow. It's a diamond.
It's a real.
All right. Who goes next now? Who goes next? Carissa?
Yeah.
All right. Back up. Let Carissa go next. It's going to be before that horse head.
Oh.
What is it?
It's a hippo.
A hippo.
Hippopotamus, right?
That's
what it's called?
Cool. We're at 6 minutes. Let's see if we can go a little bit faster.
Hey, Julia, you want to go next? Yeah. Okay. Oh, Julia! Yay! That's a
You
horse.
got the horse.
Yay!
Wicked cool. All right, Samson, you're next.
Alright.
You hear anything? Yeah.
Oh, what's
Ooh,
this?
what is this?
Another Hot Wheels car.
Oh, it's a Lambo.
Yeah, it's a Hot Wheels.
Lamborghini.
Actually,
Wow.
not Hot Wheels, Maisto.
Yeah, it's a Maisto
Lamborghini.
Lambo. Cool.
Very nice.
So, okay, yeah, put it on that chair over there. Okay, Carissa, go.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's another one of those like tigers.
Oh, that's from one of the movies.
It is,
One of
isn't
the
it?
Walt Disney movies, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
It looks like Raja.
Another army man, hold that.
It's a mortar. Mortar army man.
Ah, you know, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, another Lollapalooza.
Oh, those are one of the cow ones.
Oh, it's one of my favorites.
Yeah, me too. I love that one.
All right. You want to go next, Jules?
Oh, I did something great. Oh, it's a Hot Wheels car.
Oh, Hot Wheels. All right, Simpson.
Alright.
Quicker.
Alright, it's a pizza man.
Oh, well, I like that. That goes good with our Hot Wheels.
Is that one of the homies?
No,
No?
it's just a pizza guy. Unless they were going to rob him. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't
Leopard.
know what
This is one of my favorite toys coming up right now. The boxer.
Yeah, he's got a black eye.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
He's got the belt.
All right, Julia, go ahead. You're next. What's that? A cat toy. We were rolling it on the track yesterday. All right, Samson.
Alright.
Carissa, you're next. Oh, did you just drop a double diamond?
I did just drop a diamond.
Oh. Did it fall, Julia?
Yes, it did. It's all the way down there.
Well, at least you know it's
Oh, well, hopefully we find it.
it's like one of these diamonds though.
Yeah, it was a double diamond,
It was a
though.
triple diamond. Look at that. I found another one there. Because that one fell there.
Yeah. All right. And what's this? Oh, look at this little bat guy. One-eyed bat. All right, Carissa. Coming down to the end now.
Oh, I found a Hot Wheels car.
Nice.
My
Looks like a Mustang. Yes, Julia. She knows what the next one is. All
She likes that one because it's cat.
right, Simpson. Guess what
right.
that is?
Bugs Bunny.
Yes, but do you know which one? Ah, the
Oh,
boxer.
Yeah, it was the boxer one.
Sweet. All right. Looks like TJ put a little toy in there, and then TJ disappeared. Oh, what's this?
It's a horsey.
Julia. All right. What's next? Go ahead, Jules. No, not up there. All right, you can do the bottle now. Go ahead. That looks like a Barbie bottle.
It's a play kitchen bottle.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a play kitchen.
All right, and this might be the last one right here. Nope, that's it. That is it. And now let's get a look at everything that we got in our little snow treasure hunt. We got all these cool things right here, minus a double diamond that fell.
Triple diamond.
There's a nice shot of everything that we got. And we thank so much for watching. It was kind of fun to do. And please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Bye.